So as you can see, I got this design figured out for the corner piece here. Got this taped onto the frame, the cardboard template, and now it's time to take it off and transfer this to sheet metal and cut it out and bend it and do all that good stuff and basically make this panel here. So let's get to it. Now I can take this off. It's going, and it's off. And it looks like something like this. Now I'm gonna cut the corners where I need to for that piece to lay flat, and then I can mark it on the sheet metal. Now I've cut the corners, and here's a spot where it overlays, so I'm gonna weld in this small piece separately. But other than that, it seems to be quite straightforward. So I can start transferring this onto the metal, and yeah, let's go from there. I have this piece of this 1 mil thick sheet metal still left, so I figure I do this piece in 2 pieces, I think, just to save material. And it's not bad if this piece is slightly thicker and stiffer. Change of minds. Actually, I discovered that I have this 2 mil thick plate, so I'm gonna do this this part which goes here out of that. Then it's nice and strong. I cut a piece of this template, and now I can transfer this on here. I will add some flanges. I've written how much I add to each edge. So there are marked 3 centimeters. I guess I can cut those now. Now I've got this corner, and I also cut those reliefs in here for bending. Those don't go all the way through. It's just to get sharper bends and to make the bending easier. So now I can bend those, and then I can start marking next bends on the machine and do those as well. So now I've got this piece all bent up. Now it's ready for primer the inside, and I'm also gonna prime those because I can't get to those later. So yeah, let's put some paint there. And now also the frame. I've got the other side piece all cut up and bent up as well. And now let's prime this as well, so it can dry. Meanwhile, I can weld in the other side. And also the frame. Let's open the door. So now we can let it dry and come back to it later on. So now it's time to weld that piece in here. To get that corner okay. Now we get that corner in. Okay, I will continue welding this in and see you then. Now we can weld in the other side as well. Inside is nice and dry. I think. Now I'm gonna wire reel this paint off as much as I can, because yeah, it really annoys me quite some bit. Now I got both sides fully welded up, and guess what time it is? It is grinding time. Yeah. So let's get to it. I got this side also grinded, looking quite nice. But I think that's it for this episode. We are slowly but surely getting there. Next time I'm gonna try to make the pieces here and get the design more going. But yeah, that will be next time.